Hi guys, welcome to Club 9. My name is Olahari and today we're going to be talking about risk management. Now you see, this topic is very essential. You'll probably find 1,000,001 topic on the internet about risk management when it comes to trading. And believe me, in all businesses, we all have risk management. In any business, there is always risk. Okay, and the most important thing is to understand how to manage it. But in this case, we're talking about risk management when it comes to trading, especially crypto trading. Let's see how it works. Now, first and foremost, we have two types. Now, this was developed by our own group. You have to see risk management in two parts, which is capital, that's your capital, and your strategy, your trading strategy. But I'll take it a step at a time. I will explain to you how risk management works with your capital and how risk management works based on the strategy you're using. So in case you're yet to develop a strategy, believe me, for you to be profitable, you need a strategy or more, but at least one that you're going to follow back to back. Don't forget that discipline is also very essential when it comes to trading. You cannot overemphasize that. It's very important. That is what will make you profitable. But what am I talking about? Now, when it comes to capital, a lot of newbies usually get it wrong, not understanding that their capital play a larger role when it comes to risk. Now, most people do not even understand how the trading platform works. That's where you start from. Now, when it comes to futures trading, that's where we have risk management. If you are a spot trader, your risk is minimal. You probably don't need to bother yourself about risk management. All you need to do is just to wait. Maybe you want to do other things. But when it comes to trading, futures trading with crypto, I can assure you that this is very, very essential. Now, how do you go about it? Now, come to your BYBIT account here. Okay. Now, on your BYBIT account, don't forget we have derivatives, which is this. Okay, can you see that? So click on derivatives. Now, on derivatives, you need to select a coin. Which coin are you trading? Stop jumping from one coin to the other. It will not pay you. Okay? The profit that one coin will give to you, the same profit, or let's say the profit that multiple coins will give to you, the same profit single coin will also give to you. You don't have to, stress it, right? Now, the coin we usually trade on our own group is Solana. So let's use Solana as a case study. Now we trade Solana back to back. Come morning, come sun, come rain. We're always trading this coin. And we'll be making a lot of profit. And we've been consistent with our profit. There are losses, but I can assure you that our profits are more than the losses. All because of the fact that we are practicing a good risk management. Now, in terms of your capital, let's transfer money from our account. Now this is $715. So since we have this, let's transfer $100. Okay, not that you can't transfer everything, but it is very ideal to ensure that you're not risking too much at this time. So we credit our account with $100 first. So in terms of capital, it's very wise to always be minimal. Okay, not that I can't just push all the money and start trading with it. Yes, I can do that. But first, what you need to know when it comes to trading is you need to understand how steady is your strategy. Your strategy has to be very, very steady in terms of making profit for you. And you must know this to yourself. How steady are you in terms of making money? If you are not very, very steady, then I can assure you all you need to do is to reduce your trading capital. Now, but as you become stable, as you become profitable, you begin to increase your trading capital. I will still talk about trading big account. That's another video. But for this video, we're going to be using $100. Now, it is very ideal or is advisable when it comes to trading to use between 1 to 2% of your capital. If you're very sure of what you're doing, which it cannot be 100% though, but at least you have to start somewhere. Use 2%. If you're not sure or you're trying to, put your strategy in place, then you can use 1%. If you're sure that okay, your setup is clear, is clean, then use 2%. So in our strategy, there's another video that covers how the strategy works. I'm also going to be posting this video on my masterclass alongside the strategy. So if you want to understand how to work this out, you need to be in the masterclass to ensure that you are able to work out the strategy out. Strategy is very, very simple and straightforward. Now here, as I said, with capital, looking at this, I usually use 50%, 50x, and I'll explain why. I use 50x for my leverage, 50x. So let me save this. Now, in as much as my strategy works for me, okay, I'll be trading with $1,000 or more. So I already know how much I will make in a week, at least. I'm very sure of 20% in a week or more than that sometimes. Now, don't overexpose your capital. That is where you start from. If your strategy is now steady, then you'll now be thinking of increasing this capital. But for now, so how do you go about the 1 to 2%? Now, this is your entire capital. I'm using 50x. So my profits will be 2%, which is let's come to BYBIT. So on BYBIT, this is Solana. Then, so this is how it works. Okay, so we'll go here. We click this. Okay, yeah. So if I'm thinking of going long with this section, then my target will be 0.5. If you go and check the video for the strategy is there, then my profit target will be 2%. Can you see that? So what I need is to move from 150.23 all the way down to 153.30. That's what I need to become profitable. Okay, can you see that? This is my entry, this is my exit. So when my TP is being hit, then I should make 100% profits. 100% profit. So if I'm using 2% of my $100, 2%, that will be how much? $2. Okay, then this $2, if I'm making 100%, I'll be making $2 as profit. So after the trade, my profit will now be $102, right? So, and do this for 1 month and see how much you'll be left with this $100. If you're able to do 30%, good job. If you're able to do 10%, good job. Even if you're able to do 5%, good job. Okay, and you must have your trading journal that will help you record all these things. Time to take trade, times your trade usually work out. Maybe we have different sessions. So those sessions you need to know when your trading usually play out. Your trading journal will tell you. Your trading journal will tell you which of the strategy that works well for you. Okay, yep. So that's it. So here you already understand the capital you need to trade with. Now for you to go about this, since this is 50, then we enter 2. Okay, $2. We're going to enter $2 here. How do you go about that? When you click on this USDT, click on it. Make sure you are on edge mode. Click on the 3 dots at the top. Then come to trading preferences. Then make sure that this position mode here is on edge. That's how you get that settings. If not, you might not probably not get that settings. Let's go back. So here you now make sure that you choose order by costs. Then just enter $2. So your $2 in Solana is 0.6. Okay, how does that work? Now if you click here, if you're using Solana, if you're using order by quantity, which is this Solana here, order by quantity, then you enter 0.6. If you're using order by value, then you enter 90 points, or let's just say you enter 100. So this is it. Just come here. Just come here, then select order by value. Okay, then here just impute. We are using 50x. So just input 100. That's all. Can you see? So by order by cost was showing us 1.9, which is approximately $2. So after you've done that, just click on your position. Now when you make your profit, you will make, if it hits your TP, you make $2. If it hits your stop loss, you probably lose $0.5. That's it. So now that is trading in terms of capital. Now let's now look the trading in terms of strategy. So here, now what is our strategy? Let's go to the daily time frame. We'll start from the daily time frame. That's where we'll start from. So we'll mark the high and the low of the previous day. So if you can see my screen clearly, you understand. Okay, this is today is Friday 20th of September 2024, right? Then the previous day is 19th of September, right? So we're going to mark the high and the day of the previous day. This is the high and the low. This is the high, this is the low of the previous day. So if you've done this, then you're good to go. Now don't forget that in crypto market, a new candle usually formed by 1 a.m. Nigerian time. If you are in Nigeria, then by 1 a.m. when you're about to sleep or something, if you're not trading Tokyo session, then the candle will close by 1 a.m. So it's also a very good time to trade this our strategy. A very good time. Yes. Now, the next thing you want to do is to understand the trend. What is the trend? Obviously, even from the 1 day time frame is showing us that this is what an uptrend. Now you come to your 4 hours time frame, you can see already that is still an uptrend. The uptrend is very, very strong. Then we'll go all the way to 1 hour. In the 1 hour, what can we see? That's where we usually do our trend, where we usually check our trend. The uptrend is still very, very strong. And when you confirm it's an uptrend, what you're looking for, the opportunity you're looking for will be long, not short. At least for now, long position. So we'll now go all the way down to 3 minutes. That's what usually. Now let's assume that we are trading this breakout, this place at 1 a.m. midnight. When this place, when the previous candle is going to close. So here we're going to have this. Now you can see that at this point, immediately the candle got to this previous high, there was a breakout. What does that mean? That simply means you're going long. And don't forget that the overall trend is long position. So you place your candle here, then your risk will be 0.5. Then your profits TP will be 2%. So that is it, 2%. So we enter at you can see that if you look at it very clearly, you see that after the breakout there was a retest. This is very good. There was a retest. Then from the retest, which at 143.97. So your risk here is the fact that this strategy is already telling us that we know our entry and our risk. We're willing to risk here is 0.5. That is where the trading strategy should have your risk. What you are willing to risk, your trading strategy should tell you. Apart from that, then you're probably going to be making a lot of mistakes. Your trading strategy, you have to train yourself to obey this strategy. If not, there will be issue. Okay, so that's what you need to do in terms of your strategy. So I probably don't know the strategy you're using, but make sure that your strategy have this in place. Right now, if you want to understand our strategy clearly, there's another video that covers that. I will share the video in the description, so you probably need to watch that to ensure that you understand the strategy we are using and how the strategy pays us very well. Now, if you also have your own strategy, is good. Now, don't forget that if you want to take my signals, you want to join my masterclass. So you can join in 2 ways. It's either you use my link to register with BYBIT. You'll be eligible to join the masterclass for free. And if you don't want to use my link to register with BYBIT, then you already have an account, then you can just pay the sum of 40 USDT. You'll be allowed to join. If you already have an account with BYBIT and you still want to join my group, what you need to do is you need to do what we call verification transfer. So you'll still use my link to create a new account. After creating the account, you now transfer your verification from your old account to the new account. With that, if I'm able to verify your UID, I will allow you to join my masterclass for free. You can take signals and make profit with me. So that is it for this risk management. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. I will be there to answer some of your comments. So thank you for today. That will be all for now. Bye.